Students, welcome. Today our class is for class 9. Basically, we are starting from the initial concept of the physics, and the sequence of this lecture will be physical quantities and measurement. In this chapter, basically we are only concerned with physical quantities and measurement. But first of all, we will try to understand what the physics is. What are the meanings of physics? Why we study physics? Now, first of all, introduction to physics. We will go through the definition of the physics, branches of the physics. These are the two topics for this class, and we will go one by one. Now, first of all, let's understand what the science is, why the science is different from the other subject. Systematic knowledge obtained through observations and experimentations. If this type of the knowledge you are getting, then of course there is no doubt you are basically studying science. Now the next one, we are starting with the physics. This is the first or the fundamental definition or the concept of the physics, the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, energy, and their mutual relationship. This is the main basic concept of physics. There are other concepts as well, but it's one to understand the physics, why we study physics. Now, after physics, we have to understand matter. Anything which occupies space and has some mass, that is called matter. The next one is energy, ability of a body to do some work, that is called energy. And these are different types of energies. Matter, in matter there is solid, liquid, gases. You see in this figure, these all types of the examples are at a single place, and you can understand what the matter is. There are a number of other examples for the matter as well. Now the forms of energy are heat, light, sound, electrical energy, running, movement, kinetic energy. Then you are doing some work, exercise in your body, that is muscular energy. Then you are burning something, then it is fuel energy, fire, and then you are using batteries in the house or the homes. It is also a source of energy. Then you are having a spring also have some amount of energy. You are having stretched rubber, this is also one type of the energy. And these are the different examples for the energy. And these are some objects where the energy is stored in different forms, and you will study in this class for the different sources or the different types of the energies is stored have different sources with the different sources. Now the next one is we are studying for energy, what the energy is, which is the ability to do work, some work, and what are the types of energy which we will study. That will be kinetic energy, potential energy, heat, light, mechanical, electrical, and chemical. These are some of the examples, main examples of the energy. So today's topic we are starting from branches of physics. And for the branches of physics, there will be few branches discussed in this class. Number one is mechanics, study of motion of the object, its causes and effects. We will study motion of the object in mechanics. If the bodies are at rest, then we will study in another branch. Now the next one is heat, study of nature, modes of transfer and effects. Wherever heat is involved, wherever the physical phenomena are involved, wherever the physics is involved in transfer of heat, carrying heat from one place to another, either these are heaters used in the houses, either these are uh, radiators used, heating system used in the houses, these all will be studied in heat. And the transfer of heat is also studied. Sound, study of physical aspects of sound and sound waves, their production properties and application. We will study how the sound waves is produced, how the sound wave after production travels from one point to another, and what are the basic condition for the traveling of these sound waves. Is there any medium required or not? Is there any importance of the medium for the traveling of sound waves? Now the next one is properties and application. What happens when this sound wave strikes at the surface of another medium? How these sound waves are received? How these sound waves move from one place to another? Medium is required or not? The next one is light optics, study of physical aspects of light, properties, working and uses of optical instrument. Optical instruments are telescope, microscope, and other types of nowadays latest type of the technology used in medicine in hospitals that are based on optics and light. We you will study in light chapter for these aspects. Now the with the continuity, if you see mechanics, objects are moving like this one. This is one of the example where the objects are some objects are swinging. It means they are moving. Heat, so you are burning something and some amount of heat is produced. The largest source of the heat produced in the universe is that is sun. And after that you are having different sources to produce some heat by burning and by heating. And there are a number of other sources through which you can produce heat. Even you rubbing one hand over the other. The other one is one more example, third one, that is speaker. It is produced, it is a device which produces sound. And then it is light. When light passes through a prism, it is composed of 7 colors and it breaks up into 7 colors, which clearly shows that the light is composed of 7 colors. This is example of the light. The next one is the branch of uh, physics, that is electricity and magnetism. Study of charges at rest and in motion, their effects and relationship, magnetism. There are a number of electrical appliances based on the uh, principle of magnetism. In your houses, there are electric bells, and there are other types of the alarms. There are a number of other types of the sources which you are using. These are based. You are using stabilizer. You are using other types of the electrical appliances in your house, electricity in your house as well. You will study in electricity and magnetism. How the electricity, when a current moves through a wire, how the magnetic field is produced, and how will you find out the magnetic field is there. Now the sixth one is atomic physics. And in case of atomic physics, we will study all types of the particles. Either they are in nucleus, proton, neutron, or they are outside the nucleus in the orbit, that are electron. Atom contains all types of the particles, and you will study in atomic physics. But in case of seventh branch, which is and the seventh number, that is nuclear physics, you will study about the properties, behavior of nuclei and particles within it, within the nuclei. You will study about proton and neutron, and what are the factors that the proton and protons are living together, and why a proton is not repelling the other proton, and what is the contribution of neutron in the nucleus, and when this nucleus will be stable and when it will be unstable. You will study in detail for the nuclear physics, and this nuclear physics is basically linked with nuclear fusion and fission. On the basis of this nuclear reaction, you are basically constructing, you are using it for constructive as well as for destructive purpose. For constructive purpose, you are using in medicine. For destructive purpose, you are using as an atomic bomb. So these are different types of examples: electricity and magnetism. This is U-shaped magnet, this is a valve, and this is a coil. And magnetism is produced when the current passes through the coil. You will study in detail. The next one is the particle, radioactive atom, energy is released, radiations are released along the energy, and a particle is produced. You will study in fission and fusion, nuclear reactions, nuclear physics. This one is atom, and you will study in atomic physics where there is nucleus, where there are electrons, neutrons, protons. You will study in atomic physics. You will study this one in nuclear physics, and you will study electricity and magnetism in this branch. Though the plasma physics is study of production properties of ionic state of matter, fourth state of matter. When a substance or a matter is heated, there is one option, one uh, possibility that the electrons will lose their force of attraction from the nucleus and they will become loose and they will move from the orbits. Now the separate positive and negative charges are produced. This ionic state, that is positive and negative electron, is called plasma state. Most of the abundant of the most of the plasma state is at sun surface, where is huge temperature at the sun surface. Now the ninth one is geophysics. In geophysics, you will study about structure and inner structure of internal structure of the earth. activities inside it, that is seismographic, earthquake, and all other types of construction and composition of the earth is studied, and the motions of earth inside is studied in geophysics. Now the 10th one is solid state physics, and you will study the structure of the solids, properties of the solid, why some of the solids are hard, why some of the solids are soft, why some of the solids are lighter, some of the solids are heavier, and by using this heavy or lighter property, where these substances can be used, and how their properties are linked with the construction of aeroplane and other types of the constructions. Astrophysics, the last one is a study of heavenly bodies and interaction of matter and energy in space. We study about space in astrophysics, and the people studying in astrophysics are mostly linked with the rockets and other types of research based study about the space. Mostly in Pakistan, it's SPARCO, and also the space studies in the world. These are some of the example. This is the plasma produced, and this one is geophysics, and you can see the earth crust are the shapes, inner layers of the earth, and astrophysics, you are studying about sun, stars, and galaxies. Now that biophysics, bio means life, and physics means study of the life of the living object. And study of biological sciences on the basis of physics. Nowadays, it is a frequent the use of physics in the life has increased with the advancement or the improvement of biological instruments used in laboratories. These are radiations. These may be radiations, radioisotopes. They may be there is other types of the exploring devices. That is magnetic resonance imaging, CT scan, ultrasound. These are types of the instruments which are used in the hospital that are basically constructed on the basis of physics principle. With this, we end up for this class. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much.